Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy Dollar Tree fall DIYs as well as a tier tray, but I will be doing that at the end, so stay tuned. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Dollar Tree decor sign. Now Dollar Tree does carry these in different colors. This brown, they have a black and a white. I'm also using these new stencils, which I recently got to come in this pack. This one that says Hello Fall and the one that says Happy Thanksgiving. As you can see, the whole image doesn't fit on the sign, so I'm only doing Hello Fall. I will be painting the hello, the F, and the two L's using some white paint and this Dollar Tree sponge brush. Now for the leaf, instead of using the stencil leaf, I will be using this wood leaf that I already had, which I'm going to paint it with this blue paint. Using the Waverly Antique Wax, I'm going to distress it a little bit. This leaf is self-adhesive, so I'm going to just remove the paper on the back and add it there. To decorate this a little more, I will be adding some jute twine to the top and to the bottom. And I'm also doing a bow with the jute twine and adding it there. And that is it for this beautiful Hello Fall decor sign. For my next project, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree wood pallets. Now I'm reusing mine, but Dollar Tree still carries these. I did paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. To decorate my palette a little more, I will be adding some of this beautiful scrapbooking paper that I got from Michael's. I'm going to cut it to size, glue it using my Elmer's glue stick. To decorate my palette some more, I will be adding this wood leaf. This comes from a Dollar Tree pack. Each little pack comes with 8 little leaves. I'm only using one. As you can see, I'm using the same blue paint. I'm actually going to use it throughout my entire video. I use some white to distress it and a little bit of antique wax. To finish this off, I added a little bow that I made using jute string. And I felt like I needed something else, so I added another leaf on the side. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, all I'm doing is redoing this Dollar Tree vase. I thought it was the same blue when I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, but it wasn't. This was like a little bit more different. So all I did is give it one coat of that blue. After it was dry, I used a tiny brush and I went over the dent with some Waverly Antique Wax, and this is how it looks. What I try to do is make this look like a pumpkin, but it kind of doesn't look like that. But anyways, I just left it like this. Now to decorate this a little more, I added some jute twine. And with that same jute twine, I made a bow. And that is it. Look how beautiful this vase turned out. The last thing I did was add some of this fall floral pick that I got from Walmart. For my next project, I actually use a leftover lid of a Dollar Tree wood box. Now I'm going to just paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. I didn't paint the inside because I will be adding some of the same scrapbooking paper that I used earlier. I'm going to add it inside here. Now to decorate this, I will be using one of the Dollar Tree wood pumpkins, which I'm going to paint using the same blue I have been using. To make this look 3D, I will be adding some Jenga blocks. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. Now to finish it off, I will be adding a bow. For my next project, all I did is revamp this a little more. Now this is already pretty as is. Now when I first picked this up, I absolutely fell in love with the colors. This was my inspiration, actually, using these colors because of this sign. Now all I did to this was add some jute twine to the stem, make a bow. With that bow, I added some beads. Like I mentioned before, this sign, it's already beautiful as is. So all I did is add this wood leaf and one of these Dollar Tree little pumpkins, which I cut in half and added on the other side. And that is it for this beautiful sign. Now for the project you guys have been waiting for, I'm going to use 2 of these new Dollar Tree serving trays and this floral vase. I'm going to start by removing the sticker on both of the trays. Then I'm going to glue the vase in the center. But before I glue the vase, I wanted to add some more, like, how do I say it? Some more space so you can be able to glue this to the tray. So I will be adding some of this nautical rope on the top. To glue the vase, I do recommend you using E6000 or a combination of E6000 and hot glue. And that is it for this tier tray. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.